Hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Today I am preparing restaurant style Keema curry. It's so delicious. Please try it home. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start now. Take 1.5 tablespoon coriander seeds and half tablespoon shahijeera and half piece cinnamon, clove, cardamom and star anise and half tablespoon poppy seeds and half tablespoon pepper and 1 bay leaf. Roast it nicely for 1 minute, then add some nuts, almond and cashew and 2 chili. Add water and blend it nicely. It has to be like a smooth consistency. Now take one vessel, add oil. After heat oil, add some spices. After sizzling, I'm gonna add 1 cup onion. After sizzling, I'm gonna add masala paste. Now let it cook for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add keema, lamb mince, I'm cutting into small pieces. Now I'm gonna add mince. Mix it nicely. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Then we're gonna add some spices. I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon salt as per your taste. I'm adding 2 tablespoon red chili powder and half tablespoon turmeric. Then I'm adding coriander and garam masala, half tablespoon. Then I'm adding ginger garlic, half tablespoon. That's it. Now a quick stir. Let it cook for 15 minutes. Mix well and close the lid. Add some water if you require. Then let it cook for 15 minutes. Add some coriander. Then turn off the flame. Then if you want, add some cream. Then add some lemon if you want. Then restaurant style keema curry is ready. It's so delicious. Please try it home. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Like, share, comment. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in next video. Bye.